how I set my dual rate to this knob right here. So to set it up, we go into menu, go over, going over again, till you see trim/dial selection. Click that. This knob is DL1. I gotta set the dual rate. So you just click that, and all you do is click on dual rate, and you change this number over here to how, how fast you want it to count down or count up. See? I got mine set to 10 because I run my dual rate on my car at 20% steering. So I want to set it up. Let's go back. See, and if you check up here, when I turn it, it counts by tens. I turn it down to 20%, run the car, turn it back up, just that fast. So it's just a quick and easy way to get your dual rate down to where you want to run the car and back up real fast. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. I made this video for another speed runner so he can see it, so hopefully he see it and this helps him out. Thank y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.